Pakistani journalists took to the streets in major cities on Tuesday to protest a proposed law aimed at regulating social media content, which they argue threatens press freedom. A report.
Hundreds of Pakistani journalists rallied in Islamabad, Karachi and Lahore on Tuesday against a proposed law to regulate social media content that they say is aimed at curbing press freedom and controlling the digital landscape. The law would establish a regulatory authority that would have its own investigation agency and tribunals. Those found to have disseminated false or fake information face prison sentences of up to 3 years and fines of 2 million rupees. That's nearly $7,200. The members of Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists were blocked by police as they tried to march towards the red zone in Islamabad, which houses the Prime Minister's Secretariat, Parliament and diplomatic offices. The Parliament passed the amendments to the law known as Pakistan Electronic Crimes Act last week, but it is yet to be signed into law by the President. The government has defended the new regulations, saying the law is being introduced to block fake and false news.
Under that new law which government is trying to impose, the basic fundamental rights are basically taken away from the people of Pakistan regarding freedom of expression. If a journalist asks any question and that question is not liked by the rulers or even by the head of a parliamentary party, you can be picked up, you can go to jail for 3 years.
ये आज एहतजाज नहीं था, ये प्रेस फ्रीडम मूवमेंट का आगाज़ हुआ है और अब इसके मुख्तलिफ मराहल होंगे. जद्दोजहद के मुख्तलिफ तरीके इख्तियार करते हुए इसका इख्तिताम वो होगा कि हम पाकिस्तान भर की तमाम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ को, ह्यूमन राइट एक्टिविस्ट को, शहरी आज़ादियों पर यकीन रखने वाले लोगों को और तमाम यूजर्स को मिलकर फिर एक ऐसे एहतजाजी धरने का ऐलान करेंगे जो पार्लियामेंट हाउस के बाहर दिया जाएगा. और तारीख जब हम वो देंगे वो धरना शुरू करने की होगी, ख़ात्मे के नहीं होगी. उस एहतजाजी धरने के बाद या हमारे जनाजे उठेंगे या हमारे पास नोटिफिकेशन होगा कि ये काला कानून वापस हो गया है.
Digital media in Pakistan has already been muffled with measures by telecom authorities to slow down internet speeds, and the social media platform X has been blocked for more than a year. Reporters Without Borders, an organization that defends press freedom, ranked Pakistan at number 152 out of 180 on its 2024 World Press Freedom Index. The group also says Pakistan is one of the most dangerous places for journalists to work.